How do you know?
How do you know if someone's...
How do you know if someone...
How do you know if someone is the one?
The one.
Aha, the magic question. If we knew the answer, then, all of us would be very happy.
It's probably the biggest question that I get as a dating coach.
The truth is, you won't know if he's the one.
You don't just know.
I don't think there's one right answer for how do you know if someone's the one.
Nobody ever really knows for sure.
And that's a real challenging concept because we expect to know about someone the way we know we have two arms or the way we know where we were born.
But if you ask some basic questions like, do I really love him?
Do you have the same vision? Are you going to the same place?
Does he make me happy? Am I happier with him than without him?
Are your values aligned?
Do we communicate well? Do we respect each other?
Have they demonstrated acts of selflessness and not just acts of selfishness?
And if the answers to those questions are yes, then go ahead and make that leap of faith and just take it one day at a time.
I've interviewed hundreds and hundreds of singles who knew someone was the one simply because it was a feeling and not a thought. It was just an overwhelming feeling. I want to be around this person.
I think when you're making a commitment to someone for a whole life, you're making a choice to love that person every single day.
Even in marriage, marriage is something that you can take one day at a time.
When people ask me, when did you just know that it was right with your wife? I tell them that it was about 6 months after marrying her that I just knew that it was right.
If you treat it with the mystery that maybe it's going to work out and maybe it's not, sometimes that treatment of a thing so fragile is exactly what reminds you to pay attention every day. And that's how you end up happily married forever.